Hey, what's up? It's me, Brendan Galley, and today I'm putting together a bunch of guitar riffs for you, and I'm putting that into a 48K 24-bit waveform, and I'm putting that in a Dropbox file down below. The idea is that you can use this for your own production royalty-free and have some new samples to sort of chew through. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching my content. If you have any riffs that you want me to capture for you, just leave me like key and BPM down below. The stuff today, we're going to be doing it in E, and the BPM is going to be 82 BPM. So thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you find that content useful. Subscribe for more.